Hey guys, how are you today? Hopefully you are in good health and keep safe as always, guys. For those who are new in my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I know some of you are wondering I'm not uploading some of the technical works related quality construction pre-commissioning, and yeah, I just came from my vacation, so that all of my videos that I uploaded weekly, as I I need give some times to prepare as well. So, but anyhow, as long as that I have time, and then I created videos related inspection, construction, and pre-commissioning, and sometimes commissioning and other things of my life journey and personal life. So I share some of the short videos sometimes related to construction works, how is the installations activities for the electrical instrumentation and telecommunication. So I will give you some of the inputs, some snapshot or some videos uploaded in my channels related to actual activities, testing, landing, and terminations, cable pulling, etc. So hopefully you are keep safe right now, and thank you for always subscribing and supporting my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share to your colleagues. Okay, and have a nice day, and bye bye.
दिल लगी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे, दिल लगी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे।